Alright guys, check this out. So we have it on. Watch this. Are you guys ready? This is like magic. Look at that. And it's on. Look how bright that is. That is crazy, guys. And it's off. So let's go ahead. We can play with the settings here. Welcome back, everybody. So today we are showing you an all perspectives induction headlamp. This is a USB rechargeable and sensor. 350 lumens. Working time is about 2.5 to 8 hours, so it's going to depend on the setting you have. And it does include a rechargeable cable. So let's show you what you get. There's a manual inside here as well. So this is it. Very simple. So you got an LED strip on the front. You have a light on the side. You have power right here. So you press that once. Wow, that is super bright. Press it again to make it lower. Press it again to turn on the side light. Press it again to turn the side light lower. Press it again to turn it off. Wow. Oh, okay, so I see. So you can have it on in the sensor. So once it senses, you wave it to turn it on. And once it senses, it will turn off as well. So it looks like you have two modes for that. You have that off, and when it's on, it shows like a green lightning bolt right here. It's kind of green-red. And when it's off, it's just red. That's for the motion sensor. So let's go ahead and put this on and test this out better. Alright guys, check this out. So we have it on. Watch this. Are you guys ready? This is like magic. Look at that. And it's on. Look how bright that is. That is crazy, guys. And it's off. So let's go ahead. We can play with the settings here. We got to get used to this a little bit. So, you know, once you get used to which the buttons do what. Let's see. I think we turned it off. Let's turn it on. Okay, so that's the different modes. Look how bright that is, guys. So we have the motion turned on now. So it works for both different lights. Guys, that is so cool. That definitely is going to come in handy. And the lights are super bright, guys. Look at that. Like, look how bright that is. Is that not bright or what? I mean, look at this. Hopefully you guys can see this. How bright that light is. It's amazing. Let's turn on the other light. So this is the bar light. Look how that lights up, guys. Overall, guys, this is actually really nice. I like it a lot. I'm definitely happy with this. So if you need one that is motion censored, this works great. It's adjustable, the strap. It's easy to charge right in here. You charge it, you just pull this little vinyl flap and it charges right in there with the USB. Overall, really nice, guys.